Now let's see the regression in the data analysis. Here, our example dataset is house price prediction. Regression is a data mining technique used to predict a range of numeric values or continuous values. For example, in this dataset, regression might be used to predict the price of a house given other variables. The simplest and oldest form of regression is linear regression, used to estimate a relationship between two variables. It simply means that given a graph with a y and x, the relationship between x and y is a straight line with few outliers. So it is a three-step process, same as classification. Firstly, we select analytic method and regression, and then we select model. In this platform, the regression adopts various models, including linear regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression, and SVM regression. Now we will choose linear regression as our example. We can see there are some parameters we need to select. The most important parameters are select variable columns and select target column. Here, for our independent columns, we will select as bedroom, bathroom, and condition. Because we will use these independent columns to predict our target column, to predict the price of a house. So price is our target column. And then we add this model, we store those parameters, and then we confirm. Then we can get the result. Now we can see this screen is split into two parts, left and right. Left is the result of our model. It contains the conditions we just selected before, and the results of this model, and some related plot. The right part is the demo code for the linear regression. Here we can see only two variables, x and y. They are changed automatically based on user's option, but other parameters are just example. Like some parameters in the linear regression, the users can modify parameters and then to check the result. Now let's click Run. We can get the result of this demo code. So users can use this demo code to practice coding. Now this is the result of this demo code. So for the training code model, we already stored one model. And then if the users want to add other models, store other parameters, here we can change the variable columns like bedroom and bathroom, and change test size as 20, and select the different matrix of this model. And then we add this model, we can get model 2. Let's go back to model 1. This is the previous one. We got 3 variables here. And the model 2, only 2 variables here, right? And then we already store them. And then if we want to predict, click here. You can see we have 2 models we just stored before in the training model. So if I use model 2 to predict the result, we can see we only have 2 variables here. We need to input the value for the bedrooms and the bathrooms. We confirm, then I can get a result. This is the predict the price of a house that has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The estimated price is here. And then if I want to use model 1 to predict, then remember the model 1 has 3 variables. Then let's check. We can see, yes, it's coming up. Right now we have 3 independent variables for the model 1. So we need to input the values for the condition. For example, suppose it's 1 bedrooms, or let's confirm, check the result. Now we can see this is the result, the price of a house which has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and condition is 1. The price, the final price of this house. This is the result. So this is the regression of data analysis.